We all want to live healthier lives. We crave energy to power through our days and seek mental clarity to navigate life's challenges. The secret to unlocking this vitality lies within us: movement. Exercise is not just about sculpted physiques. It's about invigorating our bodies from the inside out. It's about fortifying our hearts, sharpening our minds, and boosting our overall well-being. In a world often dominated by sedentary habits, we must reclaim the power of movement. Our bodies are designed to move, and when we do, we tap into their remarkable ability to heal and thrive. This essay will be your guide to understanding the transformative power of exercise. We'll delve into the science, explore practical tips, and empower you to embrace a more active lifestyle. Imagine feeling your heart beat with newfound strength, your muscles responding with resilience, and your mind buzzing with clarity. This is the power of regular exercise. It's about feeling good in your own skin, having the energy to pursue your passions, and living life to the fullest. Let's embark on this journey together and discover how even small changes in your daily routine can lead to profound improvements in your health and well-being. It's time to move your body and change your life. Regular physical activity is like a magic potion for your body and mind. It strengthens your heart, making it pump blood more efficiently. This reduces the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other cardiovascular problems. Exercise is a powerful stress reliever, releasing endorphins that elevate your mood and combat anxiety and depression. Beyond its physical benefits, exercise works wonders for your brain. It improves cognitive function, memory, and focus. Studies show that regular physical activity can help prevent age-related cognitive decline and reduce the risk of dementia. Exercise is also a natural sleep aid, promoting restful sleep and combating insomnia. The benefits of exercise extend to your overall well-being. It boosts your energy levels, making you feel more alive and vibrant. It strengthens your bones and muscles, reducing the risk of falls and osteoporosis. Exercise even plays a role in boosting your immune system, making you less susceptible to illness. In essence, regular exercise is an investment in your present and future health. It's a gift you give yourself, a way to honor your body's incredible capabilities. By incorporating movement into your daily routine, you're not just improving your physical health, you're enhancing your mental well-being and setting the stage for a longer, healthier, and more fulfilling life. The good news is that you don't need to become a marathon runner to reap the benefits of exercise. Health experts recommend at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous-intensity aerobic activity per week. Moderate-intensity activities include brisk walking, cycling at a moderate pace, or dancing. Vigorous-intensity activities, on the other hand, make you breathe faster and elevate your heart rate significantly. These include running, swimming laps, or playing a high-intensity sport. In addition to aerobic exercise, it's important to incorporate muscle-strengthening activities at least twice a week. These activities should work all major muscle groups, including your legs, hips, back, abdomen, chest, shoulders, and arms. Examples include lifting weights using resistance bands or doing bodyweight exercises like push-ups and squats. Remember, these are general guidelines. The ideal amount of exercise for you may vary depending on your age, fitness level, and overall health. It's always a good idea to consult with your doctor or a qualified fitness professional to create a personalized exercise plan that meets your individual needs and goals. Aerobic exercise, also known as cardio, is any activity that gets your heart rate up and increases your breathing rate. It's essential for a healthy heart, lungs, and circulatory system. When you engage in aerobic exercise, you're strengthening your cardiovascular system, improving blood flow, and increasing your body's ability to use oxygen efficiently. There are countless ways to get your heart pumping. You can choose activities you enjoy, and that fit into your lifestyle. Brisk walking is a great option for beginners, while running, swimming, cycling, and dancing offer more vigorous workouts. Group fitness classes such as Zumba, step aerobics, or kickboxing provide a fun and social way to get your cardio in. The key is to find activities you genuinely enjoy, as this will make it more likely that you'll stick with them in the long run. Experiment with different types of aerobic exercise and find what works best for you. You can even mix it up to keep things interesting and prevent boredom. Remember to start gradually, especially if you're new to exercise. Listen to your body and don't push yourself too hard too soon. As you get fitter, you can gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. Strength training is an essential component of overall fitness that often gets overlooked. It involves using resistance to build and maintain muscle mass. While many people associate strength training with bulky bodybuilders, the truth is that it benefits everyone, regardless of age or fitness level. Strength training helps increase bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. It boosts metabolism, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. It also improves posture, balance, and coordination, reducing the risk of falls and injuries. There are various ways to incorporate strength training into your routine. You can lift weights, use resistance bands, or perform bodyweight exercises. Aim to work all major muscle groups twice a week, allowing for a day of rest between sessions. If you're new to strength training, it's a good idea to seek guidance from a certified personal trainer who can teach you proper form and technique. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to strength training. Make it a regular part of your exercise routine to reap its numerous benefits. As you get stronger, you can gradually increase the weight, resistance, or repetitions to continue challenging your muscles. Flexibility and balance are often overlooked aspects of fitness, but are crucial for maintaining mobility and preventing injuries. Flexibility refers to the range of motion in your joints, while balance is your body's ability to maintain its center of gravity over its base of support. Stretching regularly can improve your flexibility, making everyday movements easier and reducing the risk of muscle strains and tears. Activities like yoga, Pilates, and Tai Chi are excellent for improving both flexibility and balance. They involve slow, controlled movements that enhance range of motion, muscular strength, and body awareness. Good balance is essential for preventing falls, especially as we age. It helps us stay agile and steady on our feet, reducing the risk of injuries. Simple exercises like standing on one leg, heel-to-toe walking, and Tai Chi movements can improve balance significantly. Incorporate flexibility and balance exercises into your routine at least twice a week. You can stretch after a workout when your muscles are warm, or dedicate separate sessions to yoga, Pilates, or Tai Chi. In today's fast-paced world, finding time for exercise can feel like a daunting task. However, incorporating physical activity into your daily routine doesn't have to require major life overhauls. Small changes can make a big difference. Instead of driving short distances, try walking or cycling. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. During your lunch break, go for a brisk walk or find a nearby park for a quick workout. If you have a sedentary job, set reminders to get up and move around every hour. Even a few minutes of stretching or light activity can make a difference. Weekends are a great opportunity to get active with family and friends. Go for hikes, bike rides, or visit a local park. Make exercise a family affair, encouraging each other to stay active and healthy. Remember, every bit of movement counts. Don't underestimate the power of short bursts of activity throughout the day. By finding creative ways to incorporate exercise into your daily routine, you can make it a sustainable part of your lifestyle. We all face barriers to exercise at times. Lack of time, motivation, or resources can seem like insurmountable obstacles. However, with a little creativity and determination, you can overcome these hurdles and make exercise a priority. If time is an issue, try breaking up your workouts into shorter, more manageable sessions. Even 10 minutes of exercise is better than none at all. You can also explore high-intensity interval training, which involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief recovery periods. HIIT workouts are effective and time-efficient. Motivation can be a fickle friend. To stay motivated, find an activity you genuinely enjoy and look forward to. Exercise with a friend or family member to stay accountable and make it more fun. Set realistic goals and track your progress to stay motivated. Lack of resources is another common barrier to exercise. However, you don't need a fancy gym membership to get a good workout. Body weight exercises can be done anywhere and require no equipment. You can also find free workout videos online or explore local parks and trails for walking, running, or cycling. The key to reaping the full benefits of exercise is consistency. Aim to make physical activity a regular part of your routine, just like brushing your teeth or eating breakfast. Consistency is more important than intensity. It's better to exercise regularly at a moderate intensity than to push yourself too hard sporadically. Find an exercise rhythm that works for you and stick to it as much as possible. Some people thrive on early morning workouts, while others prefer evening sessions. Experiment with different times of day and find what works best for your schedule and energy levels. Don't be discouraged if you miss a workout or two. Life happens, and there will be times when you need to adjust your routine. The important thing is to get back on track as soon as possible. Remember, every little bit of movement counts. While exercise is essential for good health, it's important to listen to your body and exercise with care. Start slowly, especially if you're new to exercise or haven't been active in a while. Pay attention to your body's signals and don't push yourself beyond your limits. If you experience any pain or discomfort during exercise, stop and rest. It's better to err on the side of caution than to risk injury. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water before, during, and after your workouts. If you have any underlying health conditions, consult with your doctor before starting a new exercise program. They can advise you on appropriate activities and help you create a safe and effective exercise plan. Incorporating regular exercise into your life is one of the best things you can do for your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. It's a gift that keeps on giving, rewarding you with increased energy, improved mood, and a reduced risk of chronic diseases. Remember, exercise doesn't have to be a chore. Find activities you enjoy and that fit into your lifestyle. Make it a social activity by exercising with friends or family. Set realistic goals and celebrate your achievements along the way. The journey to a healthier you starts with a single step. Lace up your shoes, put on some comfortable clothes, and get moving today. Your body will thank you for it.